Welcome to Awe-Inspiring. Narendra Modi, the current Prime Minister of India, has a motivational story that has inspired many people. Here are some key aspects of his journey. Early life and background. Narendra Damodardas Modi was born on September 17, 1950, in Vadnagar, Gujarat, India. He came from a humble background and grew up in a small town. As a child, he faced various challenges and worked at his family's tea stall. Early political career. Modi's interest in politics developed at a young age. He joined the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, RSS, a Hindu nationalist organization, and became an active member. His dedication and organizational skills were recognized, and he rose through the ranks of the organization. Chief Minister of Gujarat. In 2001, Modi became the Chief Minister of Gujarat, a position he held for 3 consecutive terms until 2014. During his tenure, he focused on economic development, infrastructure improvement, and attracting investments to the state. His administration introduced various policies and initiatives that helped Gujarat achieve rapid growth and industrial development. Prime Ministerial Candidacy. In 2013, Narendra Modi was declared the Prime Ministerial candidate of the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, for the 2014 general elections in India. He campaigned extensively across the country, emphasizing his vision for development, economic reforms, and good governance. Prime Minister of India. In May 2014, Modi's party won a majority in the elections, and he became the 14th Prime Minister of India. As Prime Minister, he launched several initiatives aimed at transforming India's economy, infrastructure, and social sectors. Some notable initiatives include the Make in India campaign, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Clean India Mission, Digital India, and the Goods and Services Tax, GST. Global recognition. Narendra Modi's leadership and vision have garnered global attention. He has represented India on various international platforms, engaging with world leaders, promoting bilateral relations, and addressing global challenges. He has received several honors and awards, including the United Nations Champions of the Earth Award in 2018. Re-election as Prime Minister. In the 2019 general elections, Modi's party secured another significant victory, and he was re-elected as Prime Minister. His second term has been marked by further policy initiatives and efforts to address socio-economic issues, including financial inclusion, healthcare, and rural development. Narendra Modi's journey from a small town to becoming the Prime Minister of India is seen as a motivational story of determination, hard work, and leadership. He has inspired many with his focus on development, his ability to connect with the masses, and his vision for a stronger and prosperous India. However, it's important to note that public opinion on his tenure and policies varies, and this response aims to provide a neutral overview of his journey rather than endorsing any political perspective. Thanks for watching.